Number 16, a 75-kilogram petty thief wants to escape from a third-story jail window. Unfortunately, a makeshift rope made of sheets tied together can support a mass of only 62 kilograms. How might the thief use this rope to escape? Okay, here, let's see in the ideal setting. So the mass of the thief is 62 kilogram, and we need to calculate the tension of the rope, right? So here we will have the tension of the rope. Let's give this name as the force of the tension here. And then on the opposite direction, it will be pushed back here by the weight of the theft, right? So we will have Fw here. And Fw is mass times gravity. Okay, and then we can do Newton's second law analysis on this vertical direction. So I'll have sigma F on the y direction, and that will equals to mass times the acceleration, and we are assuming that this is standstill. So we'll have this as equal to 0, ay here. Good. Now this is the maximum tension of the rope. So we'll have Ft max here. And then that is on the positive direction. We will have Ft max here. And then minus, we will have the weight of the thief if he is weighing 62 kilograms. So I will have mg here, and that will equal to 0. So we will have Ft max here is equal to the mass times gravity, and that will equal to 62 times 9.8. And I will have this one here as, okay, 62 times 9.8. That will be 607.6. So we have 607.6, and the unit here will be Newton. So this is the maximum tension, Ft max. However, the mass of the theft is 75 kilogram. Here, we assume that he is 62 kilogram. Okay, but he needs to accelerate downward here. So we'll have ay here, and then we need to find out how much the acceleration he need to do to keep the rope here intact. Okay, so let's calculate that. Okay, here we have similar case with the tension of the rope going up and the weight of the thief going down, but he is not stand still but accelerating downward like this, right? So we can have the Newton's second law, sigma F on the y direction, and that will be the mass times the acceleration to the downward direction, like that. And then this Ft here, remember that we have Ft, the maximum Ft before breaking down is 607.6. And then minus the weight of the thief, which is m times g. And then here we don't have the acceleration equal to 0 because it is accelerating downward. So I will have m times the acceleration downward here. Let's solve for the acceleration. So we'll have ay is equal to Ft minus mg divided by m. Now remember, before breaking down, this Ft here is 607.6. So we'll have 607.6, and then minus the mass here is not 62 but 75 kilogram. Okay, so I'll have 75, and then multiplied by 9.8 divided by the mass of the thief. So I will have 75 here. So we'll have the acceleration here. We will have 607.6 and then minus 75.9.8 divided by the mass, which is 75. And so we will have minus 1.7, okay, minus 1.7 meter over squared seconds. Minus is the direction because it is going downward, right? So that will be the answer. So the thief needs to accelerate downwards with the magnitude of 1.7 meter over square seconds. And that is how he can use the ropes for that. And that will be very high acceleration actually. In the floor, he will get injured if you use this one. So maybe the better answer will be just do a weight loss diet and get under 62 kilogram. And that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Itu tag dia tuh.